Waheguru Ji da Khalsa te Waheguru Ji di Fateh. Today students we will discuss optical activity. What is optical activity? And also we will discuss plane polarized. What is plane polarized light? Now the students, the light coming from sun, it is ordinary light, and in case of ordinary light the vibration of photons, they are in all direction. For photons of ordinary light, they are vibrated in all direction like this. This is ordinary light, and the photons, they are vibrated in this direction. The photons of ordinary light, they are vibrated in this direction. This is ordinary light. And students, what is ordinary light? The light coming from sun or any LED bulb. The light coming from sun or any source, it is considered to be an ordinary light in which the photons, they are vibrating in all the direction. Students, when this ordinary light, it is allowed to pass through a nickel prism, then vibration of photons, they are restricted to single direction, and such a light having vibration of photons only in one direction is known as plane polarized light. Now students, what is plane polarized light? The light having vibration only in one direction is known as plane polarized light. Now students, when this plane polarized light, it is passed through a solution, the solution will either rotate the light or it will not rotate the light. If solution rotate the light, it will be optically active, and if solution does not rotate the light, it will be considered as optically inactive. And if it rotate the light, either it will rotate the light in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. If the solution rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction, then it will be dextrorotatory, and if solution rotate the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, then it will be levorotatory. Now just see how. This is ordinary light, and this ordinary light, suppose it is allowed to pass through a nickel prism. This is nickel prism. Okay, now when ordinary light, this ordinary light, it is passed through a nickel prism, the vibration of these photons, which are initially in all the direction, they are restricted to a single direction like this. Now photon, they are vibrating only in this direction, in this perpendicular directions, and this light, it is plane polarized light. Plane polarized light, because the photons, they are vibrating only in single direction. Now when this plane polarized light, it is passed through a solution, suppose this is solution, any solution, this is solution. This plane polarized light, it is allowed to pass through this solution, then this solution will either rotate the light or it will not rotate the light. If the solution rotate this plane polarized light, then it will be optically active. Optically active. And if this solution does not rotate the light in any direction, then it will be optically inactive, and this property is known as optical activity. Now just see, this is initial direction, this is initial direction. Okay, and if this solution, any solution, if this solution rotate the light in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction, and this is anti-clockwise direction. If it rotate the light in clockwise direction like this, here the plane polarized light, it is rotated in clockwise direction by this angle, then it will be dextrorotatory. And if this solution rotate the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, that is in this direction, then it will be levorotatory. Okay students.